Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of personal development and self-improvement. In today's video, we delve into a topic that has captivated millions of people worldwide: the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful principle that suggests we can manifest our desires and shape our reality through the power of our thoughts and emotions. At its core, the law of attraction is based on the belief that like attracts like. Whatever you focus on, whether positive or negative, will manifest in your life. Thoughts and emotions are like magnets. They emit vibrations into the universe, and these vibrations attract corresponding experiences and opportunities. Visualization is a vital tool in the law of attraction. By creating vivid mental images of what you desire, you align your energy with the frequency of your goals, making them more likely to materialize. Vision boards are another powerful technique. By compiling images and affirmations representing your goals, you create a physical representation of your aspirations, reinforcing your focus and motivation. Gratitude is key to the law of attraction. By expressing appreciation for what you already have, you attract more positive experiences and abundance into your life. Taking inspired action is crucial. The law of attraction is not just about wishing and hoping. It requires actively pursuing your goals and seizing opportunities as they arise. It's important to remember that the law of attraction is not magic. It operates within the bounds of natural laws and is influenced by factors such as mindset, belief systems, and subconscious programming. Mindfulness and self-awareness are essential in harnessing the law of attraction. By cultivating a positive mindset, releasing limiting beliefs, and aligning your thoughts and emotions, you can manifest your desires more effectively. And there you have it, the law of attraction, a powerful tool for transforming your life. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your reality, so embrace positivity, focus on your goals, and watch as the universe aligns to bring your desires to fruition. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button below for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.